Hello and welcome to the 30-day challenge to crush 2025. Are you ready to boost your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase your mental clarity? Then join me in this challenge and let's crush 2025 together. For the next 30 days, every day we'll be doing 10 squats, 10 push-ups, 10 crunches, and 10 calf raises. 5 times a day. That's a total of 200 reps extra movement to our daily routine and a total of 6,000 extra reps for the month. This challenge is perfect for all levels and will not only help you become physically stronger, but also mentally stronger. So let's make this the best year yet by committing to this challenge and crushing 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips and challenges. Let's do this! Day 1.